Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's supposed to be a productive vlog, but I feel like this is also somewhat of a set routine, cleaning routine. So hey, all the above. Anyway, so first things first, I really need to clean my laptop screen because it was not cute. So this is really for like cameras and stuff like that, but also just like any type of screen. So I know I'm going in with Windex because I haven't cleaned my mirror in how long. So let's clean that too while we at it. Now I'm choosing one of my inspirational quotes because something that I honestly forget to change it. It's like when I remember, I'm like, oh yeah, I'm gonna change it. So, this one right here, patience is also a form of action. Definitely something I need for this year. So, I had selected that one. I also didn't really use my prayer cards last year and I got it later last year. So, I'm doing this one, and it says, "He who began a good work in you will perfect it in Christ Jesus." So now, sorry, this is gonna be the little squiggly footage because my other tripod does just not support this my 4K camera, so we'll have to do it by hand. But this won't last for too long. But I need to clean my mirror as well in my bathroom because I feel like that's something that doesn't get love in my bathroom. I had already cleaned my bathroom the night before. Generally, I do it on Sundays, like today, but I didn't. Anyway, I also went to purchase something because I wanted something to smell good in my bathroom. I mean, so this is the way Cashmere Woods. I chose that one instead, and I'm just gonna put it there. There we go. Now I'm actually looking for a YouTube video. Sometimes I like to watch other people's videos to give me inspo, but I also like to watch content like that. So I was looking for a productive routine vlog on YouTube to get inspiration from. And if my nails look different, well, not different, but they look brand new in a sense, I did get a filling today. Well, not today, but when I was right before this. So while I'm also doing that, I'm trying to figure out what content I want to post for my TikTok and my YouTube for this week. As you guys see, this is the video for YouTube. TikTok, I still have a few ideas, but not many. I feel like I've just been having the thoughts of content has just kind of like went poof. So I'm trying to like get back into it. But anyway, I know for TikTok though, many vlogs do well. Anyway, so I'm also trying to look for any collabs, so that's why I'm on these like two sites. And I found the productive daily life video, so I'm watching somebody's video. Sorry for the noisy background. Somebody's like, or texting me while voice recording, but I'm not reading this. So anyway, as you guys see, I also have my Dunkin' cup of coffee because I went to buy Dunkin' after getting my nails done. And I'm gonna do laundry now. This was not even my whole batch of laundry. I had like 2 loads, but this is the only load you guys got because one, I don't want to bore you watching me do laundry. I'm not gonna lie to you, I still have another set to do, but I decided I wasn't gonna do it because after I finished everything I did in this vlog and then I went outside again, I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna lay down and watch TV now. So that's what I ended up doing. So now I'm gonna go ahead and clean this. So this is like a DVD player that hasn't been used for how long? Since I moved down here, it's just been down here. As well as the cable box. I have not used the cable box in years. We're actually gonna be giving back all our cable boxes, I think except for one, because only one person really watches cable in my house. So that's what you guys see me doing. I'm plugging the cable box, and I'm also unplugging the VCR. The VCR and the DVD player does work, so that's most likely, it's not gonna be, we're gonna donate that, but at least with me taking them out, I can declutter that space because it's just collecting dust in my room anyway, as you guys will see in a second. So it was good to kind of remove that. Now, like, I have a cleaner desk and there's not much stuff going on. Now, I just sat there and struggled for a good 2 minutes. And this was the simplest thing to take out. And you'll see what I'm talking about. Like, I was doing all this maneuver that I realized it was literally almost like a screw thing that all I had to do was twist it and it came off. I was doing all this motion for no reason. You see how much I take these things out on a regular basis. And then when I had that aha moment, I was like, wow, Abigail was that easy. It's me finally figuring it out, as you guys can see, and I was like, seriously. Alright, now that's done. The box is done. Yeah, it's really dusty. Oh gosh. But anyway. So now I'm gonna use my Swiffer so that I can like dust off all that dust that has accumulated, because this is authentic Abigail that has probably not been dusted in how many months. So this is just a cord. I couldn't really pull this out because this is like a cord that's attached to like the house and the walls, so I had to just wrap it around. I do have this thing, these strip stuff that I bought to like wrap around like cords so they're not on the floor, so I was gonna go ahead and use that, but I didn't in this vlog, so it doesn't really matter. Now I'm gonna also go with the Clorox cleanup wipes because it's still dirty and had like a stain on it or something. Honestly, I should have used gloves, but at this point I don't even care. Like, I was just like, whatever. And the reason why I said that is because I just got my nails redone, but I was like, whatever. Now if this was the bathroom, I wouldn't be like, whatever. The bathroom, I don't play with that. I gotta have gloves on. And then I was interrupted. Well, I don't want to say interrupted, but yeah, I thought I'd locked my door and I did it. So of course there was a visit from my sibling. This is what happens. And basically I ended up going, well, I didn't put that in this vlog. That would have been a good part of footage, but then I wasn't taking out my camera to be outside for like 15 minutes. Anyway, I ended up going to the local supermarket by our house, which is not like it's a very expensive supermarket in my honest humble opinion. But if we need like quick stuff that we won't go to BJ's for, because we just went to BJ's last weekend, we'll go there. So we ended up getting like just some miscellaneous stuff, like re-up on like coffee, because sometimes we like to make coffee at home, milk and cream. No, we didn't get creamer, we got like milk and just, you know, things like we'll have for like coffee, our coffee needs or whatever. And I think we also got some yogurt as well. Just having yogurt, although we're probably gonna finish it in like 3 days. I'm sorry, but those little, like the big tubs of Chobani never last long. That's why, like, at least if you go to BJ's, but then I feel like when we go to BJ's too, it's like too much yogurt. Does that even make sense? But anyway, I bought a pack of tissue. I put my candle back on. Now there's just less stuff. It's much more cleaner. I'm also gonna clean my fan because that accumulates a lot of dust too. Just dust all around. I really hate dust. Am I the only one? Like, just the dust accumulation is just very much annoying. But hey, you gotta clean what you gotta clean. Okay, lastly, I'm just going through my self-care. This is my self-care calendar. Again, I think I mentioned in my last January reset routine, I use Cassie Cure. She makes monthly like self-care stuff, so it's kind of holds yourself accountable for things to do self-care. Now, I might not do all in the same order. Some I may not do exactly in that month, but I just went ahead and showed you guys what generally like some of the activities. There's always an option for your own self-care choice for the day and etc. Now I'm watching 17 again. Like, it's been a minute since I watched it. Maybe Rero liked it with TNT Memoir, and their brother Taj is in there as well. So it was on Tubi, so I watched that. But anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you like it, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.